Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the JUP chart on the weekly time frame, and trust me, this setup looks very interesting. There's a clear technical story building up between the downtrend line, the key support zone, and what could be the final shakeout before a big directional move. Let's get into it. Overall market context. So, before we jump right into JUP, let's remember altcoins across the board have been cooling off for a while, consolidating as Bitcoin holds its ground. Now, coins like JUP are showing early signs of exhaustion in selling pressure, and that's what makes this chart worth paying attention to. We're currently looking at the one-week chart from Binance. The candles clearly show a long-term downtrend that started months ago, but something subtle is changing here. Trend and moving averages. Take a look at this. The blue trend line connects all the lower highs since the previous peak. The price has been repeatedly getting rejected around that line. You can also see the yellow 50 EMA sitting above price, and the 21 EMA curling down, showing that we're still technically in a bearish structure for now. However, price is hovering close to a major support level around 40 cents, and that's where things get interesting. This zone has held multiple times before. If this level holds once again, it could form the base for a new accumulation phase. Volume and RSI. Now let's talk volume. Notice how volume has been drying up over time. This usually means sellers are losing momentum. The RSI is currently around 43, which is neutral but leaning toward the oversold region. Historically, JUP tends to bounce when RSI enters this zone. So that's an early hint that buyers could be preparing to step in. MACD and momentum. On the MACD, we can see a flattening momentum pattern. The blue and orange lines are close together, meaning bearish pressure is slowing down. When this happens after a long correction, it often signals that a reversal is near, or at least a period of sideways accumulation before the next move. Support and resistance outlook. So here's what we're watching. Support zone, around 38 cents to 40 cents. If this holds, we may see a short-term bounce. Immediate resistance, around 47 cents, 21 EMA, and 58 cents, 50 EMA. These are your first targets if price pushes higher. Breaking above the trend line and the 50 EMA would flip the structure bullish and confirm a trend reversal. Strategy and risk. For traders, this is a waiting game. You don't want to catch a falling knife. If JUP holds above 40 cents and starts closing above the 21 EMA, that's your early signal of strength. On the flip side, if we lose this support, the next downside area could be around 30 cents, so that's your invalidation level to keep in mind. To sum it up, JUP is still in a downtrend on the weekly chart, but momentum indicators and structure suggest we're approaching the bottom range. Watch for support confirmation, EMA crossovers, and volume spikes. Those will be your clues that institutions or smart money are starting to accumulate. This could quietly be the setup before the next major leg up. The 1W timeframe shows long-term accumulation and bullish bias. The 1D timeframe shows neutral to weak structure but hidden buyer absorption. And the 4H timeframe shows short-term sell pressure and institutional distribution. In simpler words, JUP looks like it's in accumulation mode, but short-term traders are still shaking out weak hands. As long as the $0.3996 support wall holds, this area remains the battleground between bulls and bears. Once liquidity flips, especially if we see an order book imbalance toward buys above $0.405, the breakout could be quick and aggressive. Until then, expect range-bound volatility and institutional positioning before the next leg. So what do you think? Is JUP ready to bounce, or are we in for one more dip before liftoff? Let me know in the comments what your analysis says, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next technical breakdown. Thanks for watching. And as always, trade smart, stay patient, and I'll see you in the next one.